Hello everyone, welcome back to the Moon Fun channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about Cardano and some absolutely insane news came out yesterday. I'll be going through that, and I'll also be talking about what can happen because of that news, because a lot of people are thinking, okay, the Coinbase pump is over. However, there is something very interesting I want to show you guys, so stay tuned for that. Before I start this, I just need to do a bit of housekeeping. We are at 3,000 subscribers, so I was doing a giveaway on the channel and I have actually picked a winner. Sir Allington, you have actually won the $50 XLM Stellar Lumens giveaway. Congratulations. I'll message you on Twitter so you can actually claim your Stellar Lumens. So congratulations and thank you so much everyone who actually participated. Don't worry guys, don't get discouraged. There are going to be a lot more giveaways in the future, so don't worry about that. Alright guys, so before I actually get into the price chart, I just need to let you know I'm not a financial advisor. You can lose your money if you listen to me. This is not investment advice, but essentially yesterday we heard the news of Cardano actually being launched on Coinbase Pro. So they actually made the announcement 2 days in advance, and Coinbase normally do this. So they let us know on March the 16th that they are going to be allowing transfers into Coinbase Pro so that people can start trading Cardano, which will actually go live on March 18th. So on March 18th, people will be able to trade Cardano. And guys, this was absolutely insane news for Cardano because we saw a huge 29% pump for Cardano. We broke out of this downtrend right here and out of the triangle that we were forming, and we are currently on top of this right now. And a lot of people were extremely happy about this because we were waiting for Cardano to come onto Coinbase for such a long time, and finally it's actually coming on Coinbase. Now, to actually get into what I want to show you guys is essentially on March the 9th, right? Coinbase actually listed 3 coins on their platform. One of them was Polygon, and they actually announced it on March the 9th and it went live on March 11th. So they actually put this on their blog, and if I actually go into the price chart of Polygon right now, we can see that that initial announcement on March the 9th, we saw a 46% pump for Polygon, and this was all well and good guys. People were excited that it was going to come on Coinbase and people were buying into it. And one day before, we did see that red candle on the Polygon chart, and this was one day before the listing. And on the day of the listing, we absolutely went crazy guys. We saw a almost 80% increase in the price of Polygon. And something very interesting is that we are actually forming the same thing for Cardano. We saw this huge 27% pump, and now we're seeing this red candle just the day before the listing, which means that if it follows the same trend, we will probably see something like this, where we see a bigger green candle on the day of the listing. As soon as it goes live, we see that huge increase again because of all that volume coming into Cardano. A lot of people on Coinbase actually buying the coin, and then the market cap will absolutely increase as well. So this is one of the things which I'm really excited about, to see what will actually happen tomorrow when it actually goes live. Will we see the same thing we saw with Polygon, where we saw this initial small green candle, one day of consolidation, and then another huge green candle, just like how we can see here? So it's really exciting to see what will happen tomorrow guys, and I'll be looking forward to hopefully see some nice gains for Cardano. Now, speaking of market cap guys, I just want to set some expectations. Okay, so we all know that Cardano is actually number 4 on the CoinMarketCap website, right? It has a $38 billion market cap. So it will actually take a lot to actually move the price. To actually see Cardano's price double, we will need to double our market cap. So we need approximately $80 billion of market cap to actually go to $2.50. And this is an insane amount guys. Whereas, when we saw with Polygon, it doesn't have a large market cap. It only has a $2 billion market cap. So you only need $2 billion to double the price for Polygon. So I'm not saying that, Cardano might not double. That is absolutely a possibility for Cardano to double, because Coinbase actually brings a lot of volume and a lot of money which actually flows into Cardano and actually increases the market cap. I've been seeing on Twitter where people are saying, okay, Cardano is going to go to $5 tomorrow, which you never know guys. I can't sit here and tell you guys it might not happen, because it can absolutely happen. But for me, in my opinion, it's unlikely for Cardano to go to $5 tomorrow, because with that we probably need to get our market cap to over $100 billion, which is insane. So I just wanted to let you guys know, it's nothing to discourage you guys to say, oh, we might not see a big pump, but I'm just showing you guys the figures as I normally do on this channel. And and giving you guys, you know, what is more likely to happen. So hopefully you understand what I'm trying to say. And speaking of Coinbase, guys, you know, a lot of people who are actually in the crypto space, you'll be surprised at how many people only trust Coinbase because they actually make it so easy for you to buy cryptocurrency. And a lot of people, especially retail investors, just trust Coinbase a lot more. And this is just what I have experienced. Like a lot of people who I talk to, they just say, yeah, I'm going to stick to Coinbase because I think it's safe. And especially because, you know, you can withdraw straight to PayPal on Coinbase, which a lot of people quite like. So you would be surprised at how many people wanted to buy Cardano, but they couldn't just because it wasn't on Coinbase. So now, as it's about to come on Coinbase, we will see an absolutely crazy number of people coming to Cardano, which can hopefully increase the price a lot. Now, what I'm currently looking at is to break all-time high, which was around $1.50. And I think if we can break this level, it'll be amazing because then we'll be in price discovery mode again, which will be insane. And then who knows where this thing can go. I'll be very excited to see what will happen. And this is the major level which I'm currently looking at, which is that all-time high. Now guys, you know, you might be thinking, okay, what happens after this Coinbase hype is over? Well guys, don't worry, because on the 31st of March, Cardano will actually become 100% decentralized. And this is only in 2 weeks, guys. So by March 31st, all of the blocks on the Cardano network will be produced by independent stake pool operators. Okay, so Charles Hoskinson, who is actually the person behind Cardano, will no longer participate in block production, which will actually make Cardano the only true decentralized blockchain network on the market. So guys, this is the point of having cryptocurrencies, right? Decentralization. Not one entity is in charge of the cryptocurrency, which is what we actually need. And guys, that's not it. Even after 31st March, we have this list of so many more possible events which can happen, which don't currently have a date, but are something which can come into fruition and actually help Cardano increase its market cap and price even more. So I will leave a link in the description and you guys can actually read all of this. Now guys, I'm just going to go in the 1 hour chart for Cardano just to show you guys that currently we are in solid consolidation. We actually, you know, made a higher high and we're using this $1.20 as support, which is great to see. But the main test will be that initial pump we'll get from the Coinbase listing, and then I'll be very interested to see what will be the new high. Of course guys, as we saw for Polygon, where we saw this huge high and then we saw ourselves come down again. This was a higher high, so we are sitting higher than we were before. However, we did see a 27% fall for this cryptocurrency. But you know, because Cardano has such a big market cap, it might be a bit more stable where we do see that high and then hopefully we just, you know, make higher highs and actually stay up there, because that'll be the most important thing for us. And don't worry guys, after all of this happens, I'll make another video just talking about the analysis and the price analysis and what's to come. Subscribe if you actually want to be updated with all of that. However guys, tomorrow is a very, very big day. I'm really excited. Leave a comment down below if you're excited as well. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you on my next video.